We've got a beautiful car. I love it. It's a 1969 Buick Skylark Custom. Not necessarily customized, but it is a custom. That's the deluxe version. And it was born these colors. I fell in love with the colors. I just assumed somebody made it this way. It was born this way. It's also born in California. It's a nice, clean, rust-free car, number matching 350 motor, front end all rebuilt, nice ground up restored rust-free car. Go to volocars.com and you can read all the information. Take your time and study over 100 pictures top to bottom. And that's where you'll find a price tag along with the finance option on every car we have for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon. You'll be notified when the next video is posted. But for right now, tops down, let's go for a spin. Okay, so underneath the car appears to be absolutely rust-free original metal. The floors, the braces, the rockers, never even been spray painted. It's the original undercoat on the original floors, no rust. The chassis components, like the rear end, the front end, the A-arms, all clean, smooth metal. It's not pitted. It's a nice semi-gloss black. Frame is rock solid. So rust is not an issue under this car. The front end all looks brand new. All the suspension, the steering, the shocks, the springs, the ball joints, you name it, all looks new. Rear suspension, all painted and clean. They also redid the bushings, the shocks, maybe the springs, hard to tell by looking at them, but they're nice and clean and black. Car sits real nice if you notice that. So the suspension's all redone. I think it's a disc brake conversion in front because all of that is new. A lot of these were drum brakes, so it has disc in front now. E-brake assemblies hooked up. Fuel system was replaced in the car. The tank, the straps, the sending unit. Has a nice sounding dual exhaust with Flowmaster mufflers. You'll hear it towards the end of the video. It has a nice, not obnoxious, but a nice muscle rumbly sound. You look up at the motor, it's fresh. I'm going to assume the motor was rebuilt just by how clean it is, top to bottom, and how nice it runs. The starter, all that stuff, all the components under there look nice and clean. It's a turbo 350 automatic transmission, 10-bolt rear end. So now let's check out the body. The 69 Buick has a pretty cool looking body style. It has this line that swoops down. And then if you check out the back bumper, it's pretty cool the way it comes to kind of a point on each corner. But anyway, let's see how nice it is. Well, I can tell you the hood sits square and flush. That sits real nice. This lines up real nice. No rust, no bubbles, all clean metal. The car is straight. There is no rust, no bubbles down here. Door lines up beautifully. I think it's going to pass the J test. Shut with ease. Straight, clean quarter panels, no rust. Trunk lines up beautifully. It does not have the typical convertible crack there. It does not have it. It's no rust, no damage. Lines up real nice. This side has a hairline crack right there. That's typical. These convertibles do that. Straight, no dents, no issues, no rust, just like the other side. All this is super nice. Nice, clean, excellent body. California car, excellent body. It is called Silver Mist Metallic. That's the original color. It's all uniform. It's not different colors. It's got a smooth, glossy finish. Probably about equivalent to like a new car. It has enough texture. That would be like your new car to give you an idea. I see a little blistering right here. That's a contamination in the paint or something. Very minor. You'd have to look for it. So let's check out the chrome. These little louvers here look like brand new. The rocker molding is either new or it's been straightened and polished. Same thing with these. They're either new or they're restored. Marker light looks new. All this trim, again, either new or it's been professionally restored. Windshield's crystal clear. The rubber seals are new. Door handles new. Yeah, all this trim. I think it's been restored because this is polished even nicer than what it is when you just buy it out of the catalog. Black convertible top. It's a power top. It's new. The frame is all nice, smooth painted, new rubber. I think it has a glass window. This rubber is come undone though, so I'll have the guys fix that. If you buy it, remind the salesman, make sure that got fixed. Here is a little chip right here, 2 little chips. Something must have dropped on it. Skylark Custom. The back bumper is show quality chrome. All the moldings are real nice. The Buick emblem has the little rubber fillers here. Custom right in the marker light. That's pretty cool. Wheels. They're sparkling wheels. They're 15-inch with Firestone tires. There's like no miles on them. Has a remote mirror. Yeah, this has even been chromed. Someone spent some money at the chrome shop. All the stainless trim and chrome was redone. Even the spear down the middle. This front bumper, this is show quality. This is like a mirror. The grill even. Yeah, there's no way this has not been restored. That looks like new. Headlight buckets, just sparkling. Really sets the car apart from the others. It's a power antenna. So there you have the outside. Why don't we get inside and check it out? All right, let's see what a nice clean trunk looks like. So under the trunk lid, painted smooth and glossy. So is the jamb, and it has the original factory splices. Weather strip is new. The whole trunk compartment, all clean metals, spatter painted neatly, no rust, no patches. It's got a reproduction mat. You can see it's kind of curling up. You might want to put that out in the sun the other way. Also has a new well liner. Door jambs are painted real nice. Bottom door lip edge is real clean. The interior is really nice. So look at the door panels. I'm surprised that's even available new, but that whole door panel, armrest, window crank, all of that is new and it fits real nicely. I'm going to guess the dash pad's been replaced. This whole instrument panel is mint. The lens is clear. The heater controls. Here's the power top switch. It's got a stereo with kick panel speakers. Interior lights work. Glove box liner is new. Carpets are nice bright red. The center console, it's got buckets on console. This is all cleaned up and restored real nicely. A couple extra gauges here too, so you can keep an eye on water and oil. So bucket seats, obviously, they feel nice. They're reupholstered. A few wrinkles right here. The original steering wheel does have cracks. Probably going to be really hard to find a red steering wheel. So you can put a wrap on it or get a custom steering wheel. Headrests are recovered. The seat backs are real nice. Got all the seat belts. Everything back here looks new. The seat, the armrest, the window cranks. And the light in the console works. The visors are new and all this red trim, the pillars, all that's redone, all real nice. You know what? The car is different in a good way. You just don't see these. And then the colors really just set it apart. I really like this one. So it's a 350 motor, and it just looks fresh. It looks new, so I'm going to assume it's been rebuilt. We actually bought this car from an estate. He had over 150 cars. We bought 6 or 7 of them. The car collector, North Carolina. It is upgraded with an aluminum intake and an Edelbrock carb with electric choke. Some nice Buick cast aluminum valve covers. Look how nice and smooth all the metal is. Nice clean metal, no rust, all painted nice. Yeah, the shroud, the hoses, all the components all look real good. It's got power steering, power brakes. So it makes a real nice, comfortable driver. Easy car to drive. Oh, I was looking for this. This hose goes to the squirter bottle. It had to be hiding somewhere. It has a nice sounding idle. Let's hear how she revs up. Nice and clean. Has a nice muscly sound. These Skylarks and Cutlasses, they just ride so nice and comfortable. I've owned many of them. It's just a nice car to cruise in. Still sporty. So each car does go through our shop facility where it gets test driven by the lead mechanic. It goes on a lift. They check it out. I can tell you what was done to this one in a second. No, I can't. I'm not logged in. But it is listed on our website with the information about the car. So there you have it. Gorgeous car. Love the lines. Love the colors. Clean, rust-free car. Comfortable, easy to drive. It's got a little muscle car feel. It would look really nice if you get the red boot for it. They're only $200-300, but you got to match the red. Don't get the wrong red. It'll look stupid. So that's a little time consuming. They'll have to send you some color samples and make sure you order the right boot. But that would really look nice. Go to volocars.com. The salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and financed if you need to at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you are notified when the next cool car rolls through here. Thanks for watching.